Well, I am alive. This might be a very bad time to tell that to all of you because I've been AWOL for around 2 months, I believe, 2.5. My last video on YouTube was the trip to Muninagra Dam with my friend's bike. I had a lot of commitments and I had a lot of work, so I couldn't post, but I'll be regular from now on. Heading straight into the video. Where are we heading out today? Well, today isn't my typical Sunday ride because it's a Saturday today. Yeah, lack of sleep does get to you though. Traffic, don't crash. Today we're actually heading out to this Windmill temple in Hassan. It's around 150 kilometers away from Bangalore. And it's going to be a group ride, a group of my friends actually. We have around 5 bikes including mine. Yes, I'm all fueled up and right now I'm heading towards the meeting spot. And yeah, fingers crossed for a really good ride. Also, I'd like to thank everyone who DM'd me stating they're missing my videos. It really means a lot to me. And without your guys' support, I wouldn't be here. And yes, we did cross 1,000 subscribers quite recently actually. A huge shout out to everyone and thanks a lot.
A few minutes later.
We are running around 5 minutes late actually. It started dawning as well. I stopped them all for a picture. You wanna have tea somewhere? Go, you go. Hey Arjuna, stand there only. Road nindu, road tax kattidiya alva. We had stopped for tea. We're taking quite a few breaks right now, and I believe we have around 100 kilometers left. We'll be having breakfast on the way. Beautiful weather, and a Ducati Scrambler is past us. Huh? What am I? I am speaking. Vlog. I am vlogging. Yeah, I was. Now also I am. I will put this. Hangala. Push it and then that, and then push it and then that. Well, we've stopped for breakfast around, we're somewhere near Chennai, around 10 kilometers from Chennai. Maintained a good 100 kilometers per hour for the last 90 kilometers. It went smooth. And we can probably see the windmills over here. Oh, there they are. Yeah, so I'm guessing we're heading up there because it's my first time going over there as well. Let's see how it goes. No off-road today, I believe. So we're done with breakfast, and location's around 10 kilometers from here. Yeah. Ah, shit. Oh, my life. Forgot to put the keys. Wait. I forgot. Look at that. Beautiful weather, dude, today. Absolutely beautiful weather. And the GoPro is malfunctioning again and again. I don't think it was recording half of the content. Man, I have to do something about this GoPro situation. We've been stuck behind this bus for quite some time now. Getting close to the windmills, as you can see right there. Up there is the temple. Oh, damn, dude, it's like so many windmills. Oh, also I got new boots. Ta-ta-ta. These are the Liat 3.5 boots. They're mostly for motocross riding, but you want, we can go straight or we can go here. Here. We'll go here. Well, off-road again. Let's go. Damn, that's a little steep. Didn't expect off-road over here, actually. I could have just followed the bus, but hey, trails. Tons. Ayo. Should I go over here? Yes, I should. Should I go there? Yes, I should. Oh. This is fun. Time to wait for our friends. Thank you, Google. Let's wait for them. Well, that is huge.
That's what she said.
that out. Oh. This is actually a good location. I had been here last time, not here, over there actually. When I was coming back from the Chikmagalur ride, which I had been on recently, I was on the other side, right opposite. Look at that view. Is it gonna rain? I can hear the sound of the windmill going round. Guess I would always be the soldier of fortune. So with that, I guess I'll be ending this video. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Motor Critic, and I'll see you guys in the next one. What's up, YouTube? Well, it's been shit. Okay.
Bro, you keep staring at it and it feels it's tilting.